Hi, hello everyone. Welcome again to a new video. So as part of today's video, we will understand the project management plan, what goes inside a project management plan when we are preparing a project management plan for the very first time. Uh, what are the some key things that we should consider which can help us in coming up with a detailed and fine project plan. So basically, we will understand what are the ingredients of a project plan, what goes inside a project plan, what are some initial set of questions that we can use as a guideline to understand whether our project plan is complete, comprehensive, detailed, or wholesome. And finally, we will use one of the acronym that I have come up with, Make It Work, to understand some key elements of a project management plan. So let us start. So what exactly is a project management plan? So a project management plan is a document that covers all aspects of the project. So basically, this document helps us to answer some of these questions. So what are those questions? It helps us to answer what exactly we are developing, what objective we are trying to achieve, what problem we are trying to solve, right? So it should contain a definition of the project, the objectives, and this question should come up clearly from the project plan document that, what we are developing and what are the key deliverables. So what are the key milestones or the key deliverables that we want to deliver as part of, this particular project, and when we are doing what. So basically, do we have any timelines? Do we have any what's the schedule that should be completely clear from the project plan? What are our key milestones? What we have promised to our customer or the client? Okay, let's say on this particular date we are going to do our very first release. On this particular date we are going to do our second release. So those milestones will help us in terms of our development, and it will guide us in our journey. How much is our budget, how much we have to spend, what's the overall cost that we have to keep our budget under that particular cost. What exactly is the plan for the quality, like what is our quality definition, what exactly has been promised to the customer. Do we have any specific request from our customer in terms of, like, the response time, in terms of like performance of the application or the website? So that should be included in our plan for the quality. Who all are our team members? So when we are thinking about, building a team, what kind of skill set or the experience is required depending upon the specific requirements of this particular project, and how we are going to manage the identified risk. Do we have any risk? So if we have identified, how we are going to kind of like mitigate those, or how we are going to eliminate those risks, how we are engaging with our stakeholders, whom we have to seek the approval, whom we have to send the communication, what is our plan for the communication? Do we have to send any weekly report about the progress, any monthly report, when we have to engage in the meetings with our key stakeholders? So basically, these are some initial set of questions. I'm not saying like, these are all the questions, but I mean, these are some important questions which will definitely help us to come up with a comprehensive project management plan. So whenever we are thinking about developing a plan, it will help us to guide, okay, we have to answer these questions through our project plan document, and this will help us to build a solid project plan. Now, on an element basis, we can categorize the elements of the project management plan using these elements, where the first thing is the scope, second part is the schedule, third is the cost or budget, then we have the quality, the resources or the team, risks or dependencies, stakeholders, the communication, and the procurement, any third party or any vendor request that we have for our project. Now, the last part is, if we have to use an acronym for understanding the project plan ingredients or the elements of it, we can use Make It Work. So I just thought, like, anything simple that will help us to kind of remember what goes inside a project plan. So M stands for the milestones, A is for the agenda or timelines in a project, K is basically know your budget, know the costing part, E is for the excellence or quality plan, I is for identify risk and plan your risk management. T is for the team or resources management plan. W is for the work breakdown structure, the detailed task for each of the deliverables, what set of tasks we require for delivering a particular deliverable. O is for obtainment or procurement plan, any vendor, any supplier, any third party things that we need for our particular project. R is for rapport or engagement management plan for our stakeholders. And K is for key methods for communication and its plan. So that's pretty much about today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And like I said, I just try to help what exactly is a project plan and what should we consider, what should we include in our project plan when we are thinking about preparing it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.